What's up guys, Justin here of Tech. And after just a few months of releasing the OPPO Reno5, the brand now introduced their Reno6 series, which includes this OPPO Reno6Z 5G. Consider it as a trimmed down version of the classic Reno6, but still keeping the same set of cameras and 5G connectivity. If you want to know more, then just keep on watching. Alright, first things first, let's see what's inside the box. So OPPO sent us this stellar looking PR package that has a mirror inside as well as some stickers from Sticker Street PH. Nice! Now let's set it aside and check out the retail box. Sliding it open, we're first greeted with the usual smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and the free jelly case. Then we get the unit itself. It looks like the 4G Reno 5 but with different color hues. Okay, let's set it aside first. And then other things inside the box are this USB Type-C cable and a power brick. And that's all of it. When it comes to design, the OPPO Reno6Z is keeping that Reno glow style that we've seen from its predecessor. It's very eye-catching with a metallic sparkling-like texture. We like how the back panel repels fingerprints and smudges really well. By the way, the unit we have is in the Aurora color, but you can also opt for the Stellar Black. Unlike the higher Reno6, the Reno6Z doesn't have a boxed figure. Instead, it maintains the OPPO Reno classic style with curved edges. Flipping to the front, the Reno6Z features an immersive 6.43-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. It's a crisp and vibrant display with thin bezels, a hole punch notch on the upper left for the 32-megapixel selfie shooter, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's almost the same display as its higher variant except that it doesn't have a 90Hz refresh rate option and 180Hz touch sampling rate. OPPO didn't specify its glass protection, but we do get a screen protector pre-installed already. For buttons and ports, located on the left are the volume buttons together with a triple card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards and a micro SD card. Meanwhile, on the right we have the power or lock button that's easy to reach. Alone at the top is the secondary microphone, while at the bottom are the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. For the cameras, as I've mentioned, it's the same configuration as the higher Reno6. That's a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel one for macro. Like usual, we'll go more in-depth in our full review, but check out some quick sample shots that we got. As for internals, powering this OPPO Reno6Z is a MediaTek Dimensity 800U together with a Mali G57MC3 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, ColorOS 11.3 that's based on Android 11, and a 4310mAh battery with support for 30 watts VOOC flash charge. And of course, this device also offers the benefits of 5G connectivity. Now, if you're wondering about its price, as of the creation of this video, there's no official price yet, but we'll update you guys in our full review and we'll also put it in the description box once it's officially available. We'll be using it for the next couple of days, so watch for our full review. And that's it for now guys. What do you think of this OPPO Reno6Z 5G? Let us know in the comments. And if you have any questions for our full review, do let us know too. Now you know the drill. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.